Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I'm going to be planning in my B6 inserts from Jesenia's Printables, and the kit I'm going to be using is this gorgeous photo kit from Scribble Prints Co. It was a mini kit exclusive, but her mini kits are pretty sizable too, so we have a lot to work with here. It has this gorgeous like champagne-y, like silvery gold, and it's so pretty. I think the light gold from Rose Color Days is going to work really well with it, but I don't have a ton of light gold, so we're just going to try to make this work. I don't really know quite what I'm going to be pulling in besides some light gold stuff, but you know what? We're going to give it a go. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and dive in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with these gorgeous glitter headers here. I really loved the pattern and the color of this glitter. Like I said in the intro, it's just such a pretty, kind of almost like a white gold, a champagne gold. It's just really pretty. I'm not normally a glitter header person, but I was just like gaga for these. So I decided to use them, and especially because the mini kit doesn't really come with like to-do or today headers, so I will use them a couple of times here. So just going through on the head or the top of every day. And then I wanted to try to size out where I wanted to put my to-do list. I totally forgot that last week I really preferred doing my to-do list at the top of the page, and I decided to do them at the bottom. And the way I do my to-do list, I like to leave a little bit of space underneath for some, like, to be able to put an icon. And guys, I don't know what got into me. For some reason, I just did my to-do list on the right side. I literally didn't even notice it until I was going through and writing in my planner this week, and I was like, wait, what did I do? Like, so strange. So I am using those Rose Colored Days heart checklist for my to-do list. We're doing right side to-do list this week, guys. I don't know. So anyways, I used that little Scribble Prints Co. film edit upload sticker to try to size out where I wanted to put the checklist so that I had space under each day. And I decided to use the film edit upload for my videos this week just because I thought, I don't know, something kind of functional to keep me organized. Since this was the week I was leaving for Cancun on Saturday, I actually ended up not being able to bring this insert with me, which was kind of annoying because the way the months fall on the inserts, I had to switch to my next one. So I didn't really end up using the weekend days, but that's okay. So I'm going through with those Rose Colored Days checklist, like I said, adding in the other Scribble Prints Co. I put it on the weekend, the film edit upload, the one that comes on the sampler. And yeah, we're just doing right side checklists. It was fine. Like, it looked kind of cute. It's kind of cute to be able to put like the icon on the left side. I ended up liking the way that looked. So who knows? Maybe I'll just be a right sided checklist person now. So gonna go ahead and put that last one there. I think that was from her winter multicolor, that pale pink. I think it was. And next I'm going through with some washi from Simply Gilded. This is her original Confetti Dots washi. It's a really pale pink with champagne dots. It's so pretty and matches this kit perfectly with the champagne foil. So I definitely wanted to pull that in. Then I'm going to take the quote box in the top corner. You will see I decided to skip the date covers for this kit. Her mini kits that are photo kits do come with date covers. The normal mini kits for Scribble Prints Co. don't. But I just didn't, I don't know, I just really liked the delicate font from the Jesenia Printables inserts, and I don't know, I didn't really feel like the date covers for this kit totally matched. Like, the font was just so bold that I was like, this is such a delicate, pretty kit that I wanted to use the normal font. So anyway, I am adding all of my full boxes here, trying to space out like the super pink and the slightly more white boxes, but still save some pretty ones for the weekend, of course. It's always tricky with these inserts because it's like, do I want to put my favorite ones on the weekend or my least favorite ones? Because, like, you don't see them as much all week, but they stand alone. So very tricky, guys. I know. Important decisions. Anyway, adding some bottom washi to that page while I was thinking of it so that it was there. And then I'm going to go back to my sidebar and I'm going to fill in some of the confetti dots. I don't put a ton in the sidebar since you have so much room for listing on the second set of pages. So I just fill in some extra space with washi. We have that habit tracker from the kit, that really deep, pretty pink is so gorgeous. And then I am checking which colorways kind of match. She has 2 weekly checklists or weekly ombres. And I wanted to kind of balance the colors out. So I just was looking. So I used the lighter one here, and I just used some of the glitter headers as kind of background washi just to bring more of that glitter color into the sidebar. And then I'm taking some of the washi from the kit to fill in the space, but I really wanted, I don't know, felt it was driving me nuts that some of the lines were going to be showing. In retrospect, it looked totally fine to just, when I was just like showing it there, it looked fine to just have them there, but I don't know what I was thinking. So destroying paper, you know, the usual for a Hollyplans Plan with me. And so I'm adding some printed washi, going back and trying to shift everything up just so that none of the lines are showing. And I am adding more of the Simply Gilded confetti washi in. And that's just really pretty. So don't mind adding that and layering that like that so that there's not really white space. So that is the sidebar all done. And then on to the first day of the week. I don't know why I said it like that. On to Monday. I took a flag from the glitter sampler and I'm going to layer a little Fox and Pip little, what's it called, like bow mailer on top. I thought that was kind of cute to mark down going to the post office. And then I am taking a quarter box there to note down that I wanted to get a workout in, and to mark down my workout, I am taking a little workout script at the top that is from Simply Watercolor Co. And I am just leaving that like that to kind of leave it a little bit more simple this week. And then on to Tuesday, on Monday, I did have a little reminder to note for myself. So I took a little bow from the Nikki Plans collab sampler with Rose Colored Days. And then on Tuesday, I used this little work sticker from the Scribble Prints Co sampler. I don't normally put down work stickers every day because I kind of work like a 9 to 6 kind of job. So it's not like my hours change a lot, but I did want to note, I used that to note down that on Tuesday I was working from home. Thought that was kind of a cute use of that kit. Or not that kit, that sticker. And then I'm taking the little label flag thing from the Scribble Prints Co. glitter sampler, and then I lifted it up, and instead I'm using a little asterisk to, I think that was to mark down a bill being due since I couldn't put it at the bottom. And then I am moving that into the full box because I had something else I wanted to do. I'm putting my workout down. I used a gym day sticker instead to note down I wanted to go to Elevate. And then the reason I was working from home is that I needed to take my car to the shop. So I took a little car icon in that blank space to mark down that I needed to do that. All sorts of like 30,000 mile maintenance that needed to happen. And then it was also the first of the month, so I had Sarita's pills to do. So I thought that was super cute to do the heart checklist with the icon, like I said. So I just put that icon just in the heart checklist zone. And then on to Wednesday, I am taking a half box there to note down I had a happy hour. And I'll come back to that in a second. And on that flag that you can barely see in the lighting, I am going to take a little nail appointment sticker from the Nikki Plans sampler sheet from Rose Colored Days, and that is in light gold foil, by the way. You can see a little bit of the difference there between that and the Simply Watercolor Co. ones. And for this, for the happy hour, I am taking a little happy hour from my collab sheet with Simply Watercolor Co. And then I'm also taking a really cute little wine glass sticker from Planning World foiled drink sheet. Love that. And the nail appointment, unfortunately, ended up not happening. I had been planning on doing it, but then they didn't have any appointments available during lunch. And I didn't feel like I could get away mid-afternoon because I had meetings. So unfortunately, I had to do my own pedicure, but I had aspirations of doing it when I did this plan with me, or when I did this spread. And I'm also taking a little label sticker down at the bottom to note down, what is that? Oh, I had a bill due, I think, that day. Actually, I think I was putting my bill that was due on Thursday on Wednesday because I had something else to mark down on Thursday, I think. And, oh yes, trash day. So I took the little trash sticker from the Scribble Prints Co. sampler. That looked really cute. And then it was kind of driving me crazy that I had a bunch of half boxes right in a row. So I am just kind of changing it up a little bit just because I felt like
it was looking too much like half box, half box, half box. So I'm taking that and kind of putting it in the middle of the day, even though it was to mark down something later in the day, which is to go to Elevate. So I'm taking another gym day sticker. Like I said, I was just keeping this super simple. I didn't want to bring in a bunch of characters. I just wanted to keep it like foil and chic and minimal kind of like stuff. And then I wanted to go to Starbucks that morning, so I took a really cute little Fox and Pip bow coffee cup for that. And then I am taking a little asterisk sticker to mark down, I forget, but it was for a reminder. And then on to Friday. Friday, I'm taking a quarter box label. I wanted to go for a run that morning. That didn't happen, but that's okay. Quarter box sticker is from the Glitter Sampler, and that workout sticker is from Simply Watercolor Co. once again. And it was payday at work, so I'm taking a payday script sticker from the Nikki Plans collab sampler. I love that sampler so much. It's so freaking cute. I wish you would sell it because I would buy extras because I just love Nikki's lettering, and then also I just think it's like a really functional set of stickers. So I just layered that on top of a little label sticker from Scribble Prints Co. Because I just wanted to have a cute kind of washy background. Then I took a little Fox and Pip bow clip sticker to mark down a lunch at work. And then I put a little laundry sticker next to the checklist to note down that I needed to do laundry because on Saturday we were leaving. And on to the weekend. So like I said, this was just kind of like my best shot at pre-planning things. And I, didn't really end up using this, full disclosure. And so on Saturday, I wanted to remember to mail out our Mother's Day cards before we left. So the little flag was a reminder for that. And then the half box was to mark down my flight. So I couldn't find, this might have been an iteration of the kit from Scribble Prints Co. that did not have a flight tracker. For some reason, I couldn't seem to find it. And I was debating using one from Crest Press, as you just saw, but I couldn't really find a great color match. So I'm using that quarter box from the Glitter Sampler instead, and then using a little flight sticker from Paper Blush Bar. That was so delicate and pretty. And then I also snuck in a little Bill Do Paper Blush Bar sticker down at the bottom as well. And then on Sunday, it was first day, full day in Cancun. Obviously, it was going to be a pool lounging day. So I took that really cute little tropical drink sticker from Planning World to mark that down on the half box. And then I did want to mark down that it was Westworld that night. So we unfortunately didn't watch it in Cancun, which now we're behind, but we can get caught up. So I took a little TV sticker on top of the little appointment label there. So those were all my main plans. Now I like to decorate the little side area here. So I'm going to start with putting some washi over that notes section. I always turn this into like a little section where I can plan my Instagram posts. So I'm taking some glitter headers and using those as washi, and then taking the other weekly ombre there and putting that there for the YouTube stuff, and taking I used a This Week header, not YouTube. And then I am just filling in some washi at the bottom there. I did decide to bring in the Simply Gilded washi at the bottom as well, just to have it match the rest of the spread. And here I'm just layering some glitter headers and washi to kind of fill in that remaining space creatively somehow. And then I'm taking a flag from the Glitter Sampler, taking like a little heart from the Nikki Plans collab sheet, and I'm just going to bring in a variety of icons, things like various things I want to mark down, and just kind of use the extra icons that I have as decoration. Oh yes, I did decide to do this since I didn't really have a ton to work with. I was trying out using just a single strip of the Simply Gilded washi to fill that in, and looking at it here, it actually looked kind of cute like that, but I decided I wanted to make it a little fancier, so I got out my scissors and cut each little strip of washi into a flag. So that is going to take me a second to do. So I don't know if you can even see it, honestly, but next to that work to do facing in towards the font, I am cutting a little flag. So it looks pretty cute in person. So probably worth the attention to detail. I also couldn't find my tiny scissors, so I was doing it with like these ginormous ones. And so I am just getting all of that down, and that is pretty much it for this spread. Trying to think if I have anything else to talk to you guys about for the rest of this time. I am trying out the slower speed again this week. Thank you guys so much for your feedback on the B6 one last week, because it seems like you guys liked the slower speed. So hopefully you think the same this week. I did not have a B6 plan with me for the following week, the week while I was in Cancun, but I did share my spread on Instagram. So make sure you do check that out. I am just going through now with those icons. Like I said, I like to use a little home for the to-do and the little, is that a computer? What is that for the work to-do one? A little @ sign, kind of like, meetings-ish. So yeah, just putting in these icons as deco. This kit was so stunning. I just really loved how this came together. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up as always if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more Plan With Me videos. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye.